Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. So in this video class I am going to discuss about the type 2 in chemical properties, that is nothing but nucleophilic addition and elimination reactions. Actually up to now we have studied 4 types of nucleophilic addition reactions, but this is new category, nucleophilic addition and elimination reactions. Here in these reactions definitely there will be elimination of water molecule will be takes place. This point try to be remember. Okay, so in that nucleophilic addition and elimination reactions, number 1 is addition of ammonia. What's the formula beta? NH3. So first of all I am going to give you the statement what happens when ammonia was added to aldehydes and ketones. So statement देखिए बेटा पहले. So this is the property of aldehyde and also we can say it is the property of what nana? Ketone. Aldehydes and ketones, but try to remember here except formaldehyde, except OH, CHO. So all the aldehydes and ketones they are on addition with ammonia, and also we can say that by the addition of ammonia takes place in presence of an acid catalyst. So we have to say that reaction will be takes place in which medium beta? Acidic medium, and finally we are going to get the product. The product name is very special nana. Product name is called imine, very important. So once again I am going to repeat the statement. Aldehydes and ketones on addition with ammonia, and we can say that on reaction with ammonia gives the products are nothing but what beta? Imines. Sir, what is mean by imine? What will be the structure? I am going to show you in reaction. But try to remember the product. Aldehyde and ketone on reaction with ammonia, they forms the product is nothing but what beta? Imines. Okay, first of all I am going to show you the general reaction. Aldehyde and ketone both are nothing but the carbonyl compounds. So we can write like this formula. Bond C double bond O bond. So this is the general formula of what beta? Aldehyde and ketone. Aldehydes and ketones on reaction with what beta? Ammonia. What is the formula of ammonia? NH3. So addition of ammonia, nothing but addition of nucleophile, is it is a reversible reaction and takes place in presence of an acid catalyst. So ammonia, okay, upon addition to aldehydes and ketones, first of all it going to form an addition product. So what was the addition product? Yes, I am going to write that C above plane again bond, carbon contain 2 bonds, the 2 bonds I am going to write that as it is. So यहाँ पर in ammonia molecule H plus will be there, NH2 minus will be there. H plus adducts upon O minus, so simply we can say that OH, and NH2 minus adducts upon central carbonyl carbon. So here we have to say that what nana? NH2. So addition of ammonia takes place in acid medium, and this is your intermediate product. This is known as what beta? Addition product. Good. Now such addition product followed by undergo the process, okay, elimination. Yes, here 2 steps are there in heading. One is addition of ammonia that forms addition product, followed by such addition product undergo elimination. Always mostly I have told that elimination of water molecule will be takes place. Okay, and finally we are going to get the product is carbon contain 2 bonds that I have written as it is. So how to remove the water molecule? Simply what I am going to tell you, listen carefully. From carbonyl carbon we have to remove the oxygen. From NH3 take 2 hydrogen. Take 2 hydrogen. 2 hydrogen combines with O, removed in the form of H2O. After the removal of 2 hydrogen, here how many hydrogen will be there? Only 1 hydrogen and 1 nitrogen. But after removal of oxygen, carbon contain double bond. Yes, a double bond. I am going to write that as it is. From here we are removing 2 hydrogen. Remaining group is NH. So C double bond NH. Such compounds are known as very important imines. So aldehydes and ketones on addition with ammonia in acid catalytic medium, okay, gives the product is nothing but what nana? Imine. So by the addition of ammonia we are getting an addition product, followed by upon elimination we are getting our final product, that is nothing but imine. Imine means, imines are nothing but the organic compounds which are having carbon nitrogen double bonds. Between C and N there should be presence of double bonds. That is nothing but imines beta. Okay, general equation I have given to you. Now based on that we are going to write two examples, one by taking aldehyde, one more by taking two ketones. So first of all I am going to give you one example by taking aldehyde. So I am going to take the best, okay, now our green example, acetaldehyde, CH3 bond, CHO, and also we can say that CH3 bond, C double bond O, it connected to H. What is the name of this compound? Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde on addition by what, Nana? Ammonia, and also we can say that on reaction with what, beta? NH3. And reaction will be takes place in which medium, Nana? Acidic medium. H plus given to the O becomes what, Nana? OH. So CH3 bonded to C, above plane H, that I am going to write as it is. O minus attacked by H plus, okay, because of reaction is also taking place in which medium, beta? Acidic medium, and central carbocation attacked by NH2 minus nucleophile. So nucleophilic addition was over, Nana. So this is your, what is the product? Addition product. Again followed by addition product. Undergo the process, elimination. Elimination will be takes place by using little bit use of temperature. You have to remove the water molecule. CH3 bonded to C, above plane H, that I am going to write as it is. Yes, beta. And from aldehydic group we are removing oxygen, and from ammonia we are removing H2. H2 combines with O, removed in the form of H2O, remaining is nothing but NH. So we have to say that C double bond NH. Again between carbon and nitrogen double bond is there, we have to be say that imine. But that is the imine coming from which compound? Acetaldehyde. So we have to say that the product name is called acetaldehyde imine. The product name is called acetaldehyde imine, and that is our addition intermediate product, and main reactant is acetaldehyde. It upon addition with what, beta? Ammonia. So once again statement, acetaldehyde on addition with ammonia gives an addition product, followed by elimination of water molecule will be takes place. It forms the product imine, C double bond N. But this is the imine coming from where? Acetaldehyde. So we have to say that acetaldehyde imine. I hope you understand better. Okay, one more example I am going to give you now by taking ketone beta. So ketone, my best example is acetone. What is the formula of acetone? CH3 bonded to C double bond O, again bonded to CH3. What is the name of this compound, beta? Acetone. Acetone on addition with ammonia is upon reaction with what, beta? NH3. Is acetone on addition with ammonia. Addition of ammonia takes place in the medium is nothing but acidic medium. Okay, na beta? Yes. So now how to write the product? Yes, I am going to write that CH3 bonded to C. C connected to another CH3, that I am going to write from above the plane. And O minus, after shifting of this pi bond, O minus attacked by H plus. So we have to say that OH group. Same like above, Nana. And remaining NH2 minus is there, that goes to be attacks upon carbonyl carbon. So here we have to be write that NH2. Same thing, it is also an addition product. So this is the addition product coming from where, Nana? Acetone with ammonia is addition product, followed by such addition product undergo the process elimination, means loss of water molecule. So again, how to eliminate the water molecule? From ketone we have to remove the oxygen. Remaining group we have to write same thing. CH3 bonded to C. Above plane, what is the group you have to be written, Nana? CH3, same like this. So remaining is nothing but C double bond O, but O was eliminated in the form of water molecule. Remaining double bonds will be there. And so here we are removing water molecule, means two hydrogens also there, beta. Such two hydrogens are removed from NH3. Remaining is NH. Now we have to say that C double bond NH. Okay, beta. C double bond N. Again we have to say that imine, but this is the imine coming from acetone. So we have to say that the product name is called acetone imine. What is the product name, beta? Acetone imine. Like that we have to write the answers. Okay, beta. Good. So once again I am going to give the statement, aldehydes and ketones on addition with ammonia gives imines. Such simple statement you can write down. So acetaldehyde gives acetaldehyde imine, acetone gives acetone imine. But what is meant by imine? Imines are nothing but this is the one mark question they can ask you in exam nana. आपको exam में भी पूछ सकते हैं. Sir, what is meant by imine? Imines are nothing but the organic compounds which are having carbon nitrogen double bonds. You can check all. Organic compounds containing what nana? Carbon nitrogen double bonds. The organic compounds which are having carbon nitrogen double bonds, they are known as imines. Same example you can write now. Story clear? This is addition number 1. Addition of ammonia. In that reaction, along with addition, elimination of water molecule is also taking place. So I have to say that addition of ammonia is an example of nucleophilic addition and elimination reactions. Okay? Now I am going to show you second example. Second reaction in that category. In that nucleophilic addition and eliminations category, reaction 1 is addition of ammonia, and now reaction 2 is addition of ammonia derivatives. For suppose addition of primary amine. So reaction number 2 is addition of primary amines. Addition of which amines beta? Primary amines. Addition of primary amines. What is the formula of primary amine? The formula of primary amines is R-NH2. What is the formula of primary amines beta? R-NH2. So what will be the product by the addition of primary amine to aldehydes and ketones? So listen carefully beta. What is the formula of ammonia? Ammonia formula is nothing but NH3. In that ammonia molecule, one of the hydrogen replaced by R group. One of the hydrogen replaced by R group. So we can say that R bonded to NH2. Yes or no? I said one of the hydrogen replaced by hydrogen. I mean alkyl group. Nana. So remaining the formula is nothing but R. One of the hydrogen replaced, remaining is nothing but what? NH2. R-NH2 is the formula of amine, and we can say that primary amine. So primary amine is nothing but derivative of ammonia. Derivative of what? Ammonia. Okay, I am going to show the statement first of all. Aldehydes and ketones upon addition with primary amines. Aldehydes and ketones on addition with primary amines, again same thing, reaction goes to be takes place in acidic medium. So in this reaction we are going to get the product is very interesting product. You are going to be get that nana, that is nothing but substituted imines. What is the product you are going to get beta? Substituted imines, and also we can say that Schiff's bases. Very important. Very important. What is the product by the addition of ammonia? By the addition of ammonia, the product is imine. But by the addition of primary amines, the product is substituted imines. वहाँ पर imine, यहाँ पर substituted imine. But substituted imines are known as Schiff's bases. Very important reaction as compared to addition of ammonia. It is very important. Nana. Okay, na? Good. So aldehydes and ketones on addition with primary amine gives substituted imine, and also simply we can say that Schiff's bases. Now I am going to show you the general reaction. Aldehydes and ketones both are nothing but the carbonyl compounds. So this is the formula of what, Nana? Carbonyl group, and also we can say common formula of aldehydes and ketones. They undergo addition with primary amine. What is the formula of primary amine? R-NH2. And also we can say that H2N bonded to R. Reverse mein padhai karo. R-NH2. No problem, beta. So it is also nothing but what is the formula? Primary amine. Aldehydes and ketones on addition with primary amines. Addition of primary amines takes place in the medium is nothing but acidic medium. So addition of primary amine and followed by elimination will be takes place. Elimination of क्या करना पड़ेगा? Elimination of water molecule will be takes place. Of course, here also two steps. One is addition of ammonia, one more is elimination of water molecule. But both we can club, Nana, no problem. Okay, right. Aldehydes and ketones on reaction with ammonia, followed by elimination of water molecule will be takes place. Now it going to be formed. The product is carbon contain 2 bonds that have written as it is. From aldehydes and ketones, we are going to remove the oxygen. From R-NH2 primary amine, we are going to remove the H2 group. So H2 combines with O, goes to be eliminated in the form of H2O. Remaining what will be the product? So carbon contain 2 bonds that I have written there as it is. And after the loss of oxygen, here 2 double bonds are there. Yes, I have written there. Remaining after the loss of H2O, N bonded to R is N bonded to R. See guys, just now I have told you so many times what is meant by imines. Imines are nothing but the organic compounds which are having carbon nitrogen double bonds. So this is also imine na beta. But in that imine, N was connected to R. R means alkyl side chain. Means we have to say that substitute. So we have to say that compound name is called substituted imine, but substitute present upon N. So we have to say that N substituted imine. What is the product beta? N substituted imine. Means substitute side chain or alkyl group adducts upon nitrogen. So N methyl, or we can say N alkyl imine. And elimination of water molecule, that is common too. Okay, now I am going to show you an example. Again same thing, one by taking aldehyde, one more by taking ketone. So let me consider acetaldehyde very well and a very green example, CH3CHO. Try to write in elaboration form. So what is the formula of acetaldehyde beta? CH3 bonded to C double bond O, and you suppose it connected to H. So what is the name of this compound? CH3 bond C double bond OH. Means we have to say that acetaldehyde on addition with primary amine. You can write in the place of R, methylamine, ethylamine, as you wish. Okay, na? Good, na? So simply I am writing as it is. Okay, now H2N bonded to R. If you are interested, you can write here R place में CH3, C2H5 like that as you wish. So R-NH2, R bond, NH2. So this is nothing but addition of what beta? Primary amine taking place to the acetaldehyde. Addition of primary amine taking place in the medium is nothing but acid catalytic medium. Again from acetaldehyde, we have to remove the oxygen. Again from primary amines, we have to remove the 2 hydrogens which are present upon the primary amine nitrogen. H2O, elimination will be takes place. Remaining, we have to write the condensation product. CH3 bonded to C, above plane H. Okay, CH3 bonded to C, above plane H. After removal of oxygen, whatever that may be, oxygen तो remove कर रहे हैं, but यहाँ पर 2 bonds है ना बेटा, दो, okay, वो 2 bonds यहाँ पर as it is लिखिए, C double bond N, N bonded to R. Same thing, C double bond N, nothing but imine. Which type of imine? N substituted imine, N alkyl imine. So here the exact compound name is called N substituted imine. N substituted imine. But this is the imine coming from again acetaldehyde. So we have to say that N substituted acetaldehyde imine. N substituted acetaldehyde imine. And also we can say that N-alkyl substituted imine. N-alkyl acetaldehyde imine. First, suppose in the place of R we can write methyl. N-methyl acetaldehyde imine. First, suppose in the place of R ethyl, we can say that N-ethyl, okay, acetaldehyde imine. Like that we have to write the product now. No problem. Next, another example I am going to give you by taking ketone. Evergreen best example, we know very well, acetone. So what is the formula of acetone, beta? CH3 bonded to C double bond O, and it connected to another CH3. So 2 side to CH3 groups upon C double bond O group. Compound name is nothing but acetone. Acetone on addition with, again same thing, primary amine. What is the formula of primary amine? R bond NH2. So acetone on reaction with primary amine. Addition of primary amine takes place in the medium is nothing but by taking acidic medium help. And from ketones we have to remove the oxygen, and from primary amines we are going to remove the H2. H2 combines with O and goes to be eliminated in the form of H2O. Now what will be the product? Central C2 side 2, it connected to methyl groups. CH3 bonded to C. Yes, above plane also connected to methyl group. And C connected to double bond. Yes, a double bond I am going to get it as it is. H2 combines with O and removed in the form of water molecule, remaining N bond R. Again same thing between carbon to nitrogen double bond. It is also imine but N connected side chain. So N substituted imine. But imine coming from where? Acetone. So we have to say that exact name is called N substituted acetone imine. N substituted acetone imine. First, suppose in the place of R, you can write methyl, means methyl amine. So what is the product? Again here R place में methyl. N-methyl acetone imine. In the place of R, you can write ethyl. N-ethyl acetone imine. That is common fundamental beta. Okay, all of you? Good. So aldehydes and ketones on reaction with primary amines in acidic medium, they forms the product substituted imine, substituted imine, substituted imine. But imine coming from acetaldehyde, so N substituted acetaldehyde imine, and here from acetone, so N substituted acetone imine. Okay, now beta? Good. Next one is, listen carefully. Regarding this topic, I want to say one more important topic which is important for objective point of view. So objective point of view information is, again I am going to take that aldehydes and ketones, but condition is they should contain at least one alpha hydrogen. Once again, aldehydes and ketones which are having at least one alpha hydrogen atom, they undergo reaction with secondary amines. This is the addition of primary amine beta. Addition of secondary amine is important for objective point of view. Okay, what is the addition of secondary amine formula? In primary amine NH2 will be there, but in secondary amine only NH will be there beta. In primary amine one R group will be there, but here in secondary amine we have to be take that two R groups. Nitrogen connected to one carbon or one alkyl group, primary amine. Nitrogen connected to two alkyl group, this is secondary amine. So aldehydes and ketones which are having alpha hydrogen atom, they undergoes addition with what, Nana? Secondary amine. Again, addition of secondary amine takes place in the medium is nothing but same medium, that is nothing but acidic medium. So again after addition of secondary amine, we will get the addition product followed by elimination of water molecule will be takes place. Now what will be the product and how to remove the water molecule? That is the question mark. Okay. So here I am going to show you the example, but before that try to remember the product. Aldehydes and ketones with primary amine, they will give the substituted imines. Aldehydes and ketones on reaction with secondary amine, now here they are going to form the product. Very important name. The product name is called enamines. What is the product? Enamines. Addition of ammonia gives imines. Addition of primary amine gives substituted imines. Addition of secondary amines gives in amines. I will show you the structure, don't worry. Okay, aldehydes and ketones which are having at least one alpha hydrogen atom. I am going to show you directly by taking ketone means acetone, otherwise you can take acetaldehyde also. Functional group adjacent is alpha, functional group adjacent is alpha, acetaldehyde contain alpha hydrogen, acetone also contain alpha hydrogen. Again both they can form in amine on addition with secondary amine. But I want to show you one example by taking acetone. You can take by taking acetaldehyde also, no problem. Okay, you will get the meaning, no problem at all. Right, I am going to take an example acetone. Formula CH3 bonded to C double bond O, again it connected to CH3. Name of this compound is called acetone. It contains, okay, now this is also alpha carbon and it is also alpha carbon. But let me consider any one alpha carbon, no problem. Okay, I am going to consider this alpha. It upon addition with secondary amine. What is the formula of secondary amine? NH bonded to two-sided two alkyl groups. So this is the formula of what beta? Secondary amine. Addition of secondary amine to aldehyde and ketone takes place in presence of acidic medium and followed by elimination of water molecule. Right now? Yeah. So how to remove the water molecule? That is the question now. From alpha carbon, we have to remove the hydrogen. After the removal of hydrogen, CH3 becomes CH2. After the removal of hydrogen, single bond becomes double bond. Okay? And it connected to carbon. Carbon above plane, one more methyl group is there. Yes, we have to be right, that's CH3. Same structures we will get from acetaldehyde, but यहाँ पर क्या लिखना H, यहाँ पर अपन H लिखना पड़ेगा. From acetaldehyde, but this is from ketone. No problem at all. Right. So from alpha carbon, we have removed the one hydrogen atom. Again from carbonyl carbon, we have to remove the oxygen. Oxygen को क्या कर रहे हैं बेटा? Remove कर रहे हैं तुम लोग. Remove कर रहे हैं ना? Good. So after the removal of from alpha carbon, one hydrogen, and from carbonyl carbon, oxygen. Again from secondary amine, one hydrogen. So from alpha one hydrogen, from amines one hydrogen. Two hydrogens combines with O goes to be removed in the form of water molecule. Okay, na? Good. After the loss of hydrogen and oxygen, carbon connected to nitrogen. Don't write here again double bond. Double bond becomes single bond. यहाँ पर double becomes single, single becomes double beta. Okay, right. And nitrogen connected to how many alkyl groups? Two alkyl groups. Nitrogen connected to two alkyl groups. Nitrogen connected to how many alkyl groups, beta? Yes, we have to say that nitrogen connected to two alkyl groups. Single bond becomes double bond becomes single bond. Clear all of it? Good. Now listen beta, in this product what happened? Here double bond is there. What is mean by double bond? Double bond is nothing but ene, and this is amine. If nitrogen connected to one R, primary amine, nitrogen connected to two R, this is secondary amine, but here for nitrogen connected to three carbon, one carbon, two carbon, three carbon. Whatever that may be, it is also amine. This is primary amine, it is secondary amine. Secondary amine converted into tertiary amine. But in the tertiary amine, before the double bond is there, double bond means ene and the amine is tertiary amine. So simply we have to say that product name is called enamines. Ene plus amine. This is amine formula, but a tertiary amine. Ene plus amine. We have to say that enamine. So once again statement for you. Aldehydes and ketones which are having at least one alpha hydrogen atom, they upon addition with secondary amine forms enamine. Ene plus amine. Ene means double bond is there. Double bond present in which compound? Amine compound. Here you are getting which type of amine? Tertiary amine. Okay. Once again, three statement clear cut. Remember कीजिए. Aldehyde and ketone by the addition of ammonia. Product is imine. Aldehydes and ketones by the addition of primary amine. Product is substituted imine. Aldehydes and ketones on addition with secondary amine. Product is enamines. Ammonia gives imine, primary amine gives substituted imines, and secondary amine gives enamines. These all 3 points you have to be remember clearly and perfectly. Okay beta, good. So one more addition reaction I am going to be discuss with you. Yes. Reaction number 3, it is very important as compared to first one. Second one is more important as compared to second one. Third one is evergreen important. So that is nothing but the addition of hydroxyl amine. Based on this topic in theory and in NEET and in Siemens, in all the competitive exams and in board exam, multiple, number of questions are repeated, Nana. That much of evergreen important topic. Okay. Addition of hydroxyl amines. Addition of hydroxyl amines. Okay, amines. What is the formula of amines? NH2. Just now I have told you. Amine is NH2. Amine connected to which group? Hydroxyl group. So the formula is nothing but OH beta. Very easy to remember. Once again, don't forget. Hydroxyl OH. Amine NH2. NH2OH. This is called hydroxyl amine. Okay. Right, I am going to give you the statement first of all. So same thing, it is the property of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones on addition with hydroxyl amine. On addition with what beta? Hydroxyl amine. Addition of hydroxyl amine takes place, again same thing, in presence of acid medium as an acid catalyst. And that acid should be contain fixed pH value. The pH value of acidic medium is nearby 3.5. And here you are going to get the product. Very interesting name. This is called oximes. Oximes. Oh, very important. Very nana. Okay. Aldehydes and ketones on addition with hydroxyl amine gives oximes. And simply we can say that aldehydes and ketones on reaction with hydroxyl amine gives oximes. That is the statement. Oxime focus karo. Main reactant and main product. Reactant is hydroxyl amine and the product is nothing but oxime. Yes, I am going to show the statement now. So statement, common statement first of all. Benzene bonded to same thing. Okay, sorry, carbonyl group functional group is nothing but bond C double bond O bonded to benzene. This is the common formula of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones, all types of aldehydes and ketones including formaldehyde also. On reaction with hydroxyl amine, formula NH2OH. So simply we can say that H2N bonded to OH. No problem na beta. We can write hydroxyl amine means NH2OH and also we can say that OH bonded to NH2. No problem. Okay na? Right. So name of this compound is called hydroxyl amine. Aldehydes and ketones on addition with hydroxyl amine. Addition of hydroxyl amine takes place in the medium is nothing but acidic medium. By required the pH value is exactly 3.5 pH value. At that pH value in acidic medium, catalytic medium, hydroxyl amine was added to aldehydes and ketones. Okay, we are getting the product is oximes. What is the formula of oxime? Simply from aldehydes and ketones, we have to remove the oxygen. Remaining group as it is. Bond, carbon, again carbon connected to a plane bond. And carbon contain double bond, it's a double bond I have written as it is. From that we have removed oxygen. From hydroxyl amine, we have to remove the H2. So H2 combines with O and gas, okay, now it goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule. Remaining is C double bond N, N bonded to OH. C double bond N, N bonded to OH. This is your product name, very important. This is called oxime. Oxime means the organic compounds which are having carbon nitrogen double bond and nitrogen should be connected to OH group. This is your oxime product formula. So aldehydes and ketones on addition with hydroxyl amine gives oximes. Such a single statement you have to be right. That is enough for you. Okay, Nana. Now I am going to show you some examples. Not only one example, around 4 to 5 examples I am going to show you. And each and every example you have to be focused. Generally what you will do, Nana, you will read the statement and you will read the reaction. But in this reaction especially, reaction and statement is not enough. You have to be remember all 4 examples. All 4 examples. Like that only they are asking in board exam beta. So first of all I am going to take the formaldehyde. What is the formula of formaldehyde? H bonded to CHO and also we can say that H bonded to C double bond O bonded to H. What is the name of this compound? Formaldehyde. formaldehyde. Formaldehyde on addition with hydroxylamine, the formula is H2N bonded to OH. Otherwise simply you can write NH2OH also as you wish. Okay, just water molecule easy remove करने के लिए I am writing like that. Otherwise you can write directly NH2OH. No problem. Good. So on reaction with what, Nana? Hydroxylamine. Reaction taking place in the medium is nothing but acidic medium. Again same catalytic pH value 3.5. So H contain, carbon contains 2 hydrogen, is carbon contains 2 hydrogen. I have written that as it is. After that double bond is there, it's a double bond, I am going to write that as it is. So from here we have to remove the O, and from hydroxylamine we have to remove the H2 after the loss of H2O water molecule. After the elimination of water molecule, the product is C double bond N, N bonded to OH. C double bond N, N bonded to OH. Again you got the product is oxime product. But such oxime coming from where? Formaldehyde. So we have to say that the product name is called formaldehyde oxime. Formaldehyde oxime. And we can say short name formaldoxime. What is the product name, guys? Formaldoxime. So aldehydes on reaction with hydroxylamine gives oximes. Which oximes? We have to say that aldoximes. And ketones on reaction with hydroxylamine gives oximes. But which type of oximes? Ketoximes. Like that we have to remember the products, Nana. Okay? Right. So here for formaldehyde oxime, and we can say that formaldoxime. Next, another example I am going to show you. Acetaldehyde. CH3 bonded to C. Double bond O. Above plane is H. What is the name of this compound? Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde on reaction with hydroxylamine means NH2 bonded to OH. NH2 bonded to OH. So same thing, meta reaction goes to be takes place in acidic medium by using same pH concept. Again we have to remove the elimination of water molecule will be takes place. What is the name of this compound? Yes, the name of this compound is called hydroxylamine. So H2O we have to be eliminate, means elimination of water molecule will be takes place. Remaining CH3 bond C, above plane H. CH3 bonded to C, above plane H. After carbon double bonds are there, yes we have to be write the double bonds. Next we have to write N. And N connected to what is the group, Nana? OH group. So again same thing, C double bond N9OH, C double bond N9OH, it is also oxime, but oxime coming from acetaldehyde. We have to say that acetaldehyde oxime, and short name is called acetaldoxime. I hope you understand it. Good. Next one is, I am going to take another aldehyde, formaldehyde, and other aldehyde, no aromatic aldehyde, I mean benzaldehyde. Means we have to say that benzene bonded to C double bond O, it connected to H. What is the name of this compound, beta? Benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde on addition with hydroxylamine. Again same thing, NH2 bonded to OH. Addition of hydroxylamine takes place in the medium is nothing but acidic medium, again by using same pH concept. So we have to eliminate the water molecule. So what is the name of this compound? NH2OH means hydroxylamine. Benzene bonded to CH. Yes, I am going to be right here. After the loss of oxygen, C double bond N connected to OH. C double bond N connected to OH means you are getting oxime. But oxime coming from where? Benzaldehyde. So we can say that benzaldehyde oxime, and short name is called benzaldoxime. Benzaldoxime. So again elimination of here what will be takes place, Nana? Water molecule will be takes place. So formaldehyde and acetaldehyde and aromatic aldehyde, I mean benzaldehyde, and last one example is ketone. So the ketone best example is nothing but acetone. CH3 bonded to C double bond OCH3. Not only this four, Nana, all types of aldehydes and ketones, they forms oximes on addition with hydroxylamine. So here what is the name of this compound? Acetone. CH3 bonded to C double bond O bonded to CH3 acetone. It upon reaction with hydroxylamine NH2OH. Hydroxylamine NH2OH. This reaction goes to be takes place in acidic medium. Again same thing by taking same pH value at the pH value 3.5. So what will be the product now? Same thing, from ketone and acetone, we have to be remove the water molecule. It combines with H2 and goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule. Remaining product, CH3 bonded to C, above plane CH3. CH3 bonded to C, above plane CH3. As after the loss of water molecule, we have to write the double bond as it is. C double bond N, N bonded to OH. Elimination of what beta? Water molecule will be takes place. So what is the name of this compound? Again same thing, C double bond N9OH oxime, but this is the oxime coming from where? Acetone. So name of this product is called acetone oxime and short name is called acetone oxime. Acetone oxime. Like that also we can say beta. Okay. So like that, final statement, aldehydes and ketones on addition with hydroxylamine gives the product is called oximes. Okay, hydroxylamine formula NH2OH and oxime formula C double bond N connected to OH. I hope you understand this story clearly. Okay, na? Good. One small question. I am going to be right here one cyclopentane ring, but here I have written C double bond O, means cyclopentanone. Cyclopentanone on reaction with hydroxylamine. On reaction with what beta? Hydroxylamine. Again reaction will be takes place in acidic medium by using same pH value. Then what will be the product? So क्या करना बेटा? From ketone we have to remove the oxygen, and from hydroxylamine we have to remove the H2. H2 combines with O. After the elimination of H2O, we have to write the product. So answer is same cyclohexane we have to be right. And it contains double bond as it is. So here per central carbon is there na beta? C double bond N, N bonded to OH. C double bond N, N bonded to OH. C double bond N, N bonded to OH. Again looking like oxime, but oxime coming from cyclohexanone. So we have to say that the product name is called cyclohexanone oxime. Okay beta, so whatever that may be the aldehyde and whatever that may be the ketone, when they undergo addition with ammonia gives imine, addition of primary amine gives a substituted imine, addition of secondary amine gives enamine, and addition of hydroxylamine gives oximes. Remaining either 3 types of additions are there that we are going to be finished in tomorrow's class. Okay na beta, try to make practice, all they are very important. So we will meet in next class beta.